We're on this sheet called ISFORMULA. We're on this sheet called ISFORMULA. And if you remember, in the first day we talk about this, somebody was working on this sheet and he left the organization, and we are trying to figure out what happened, where are the formulas, where are the numbers. And so we did a couple of tricks to find out where are the formulas. Here we go. We can see where are the formulas. Now what we want to do here is we want to highlight these formulas, and at the same time we want to make sure that whenever there's a formula, it keeps auto highlighted. It retains the color. So what happens if we can select the formulas, we put a lighter color right over, for example, like this. And now if this is not a formula anymore, the color will stay. Let me undo that. So what we want to do that, we want to make sure that the color will also go away. Color should also go away like a pair number. So undo that. So is there a way we can do it? Yes, there is. We want to use ISFORMULA function along with conditional formatting found on the Home tab. First, we'll select the entire sheet because we want this to be applied in the entire sheet. And make sure our active cell is A1, which I can see A1 here. And now in the conditional formatting, we go to conditional formatting and go to new rule and use a formula to determine which cells to format. And over here, we're going to type in equal is formula. And in the parentheses, we type in A1. Now it will check for all the formulas starting A1. And I'm going to put a color here, fill. Maybe I'll put a lighter color so we can see the text through it, and click OK. OK. And now wherever there's a formula, it's highlighted. If I put a new formula equal to into 7, it will color. If I remove the formula and retain the number, the color would go away. And this is exactly what we wanted, because we've been working on this sheet for such a long time, and we see where are the numbers, where are the formulas. If that's a number, if I put a new formula, it should automatically get the color, multiply by this. And if that's a number, it should not get color. And if I put a number instead of this, the color should go away. So very powerful features here, very powerful functions here. ISFORMULA, along with the use of conditional formatting, very, very helpful, very, very useful.